Hi guys, welcome to Ivanhoe's laser tag blog. This is just the latest thing that we built for our laser tag. It's a biohazard nuke device built especially for laser tag. As you can see here, to power up the nuke, we just turn the key, activates these flashing lights telling you that the device is now activated. Once you open up the device, as you can see here, the device now tells you we've got two radiation emitters here working with LED systems behind these on a sequence flashing away. We've got a timer device, we've got a 100 decibel siren, we've also got a wire cut device just inside here. Take this off for you. So just inside that there, I'll put this to the side, and if you can see that, we've got a series of wires there, what we can activate to choose any of the wires to be the wire for triggering off the device itself, or deactivating the timer, and also deactivating the wire cut system. To arm the wire cut, what we do here is turn the ignition on, and we pull the button to choose the wire. If you watch the green LED here, it flashes the amount of times to the wire that you chose. That's 1, that's wire 2. Beeps as you heard there, that's telling you that wire 2 is now the wire that it can disarm the bomb. Okay, so to stop anybody messing about, once it's been set, you just take the key back out, and then the buttons don't work. Okay, once you've done that, then you take the key, put the key into the timer device one. If I can get the key in here with one hand, hold the camera. As you can see here, this is the timer device. This is for this one here, to set the game time. So we can activate that and then start changing the times. Okay, we'll make it 10 minutes. Okay, so then we just press the button again, switches it off. Now to activate the timer, just press the button once again, let go. Now it's on a 10-minute countdown. You can remove the key, and that stops anybody from trying to change it. During the 10-minute game, you have to decide what wire, the team has to decide what wire they want to cut. 3 of the wires are duds, okay. We've got a live wire, a disarm wire for the wire cut, we've got a disarm wire for the clock as well. So if you wanted to say disarm the timer device, we'll cut one of the wires, this one here. I've actually set it wire 2, which is yellow, so we then can cut it. That wee beeping there and the flashing light tells you that now the wire cut device has been disarmed, but it has a fail-safe on the clock. So then you have to start and decide what wire to cut for the clock, to stop the clock, because the clock will still trigger off the device as well. But in the meantime, whilst they're trying to decide that, the opposing team can actually hit this small sensor here, what's an IR sensor, which is then going to put the clock onto a fast speed countdown. As you can see how slow the clock is going here. Now if they fire their shot at that sensor, the opposing team, the timer then starts going into double speed time. As you can see here, look at the speed of it. Starts to speed up. So they're now hammering down. They have to decide what wire to cut as quick as they can. As they're heading down, as you can see here how fast it's going down. So say they hesitate or cut the wrong wire, then the decibel siren is going to start going off. As you can see there, that was a 100 decibel signal there. So it's quite a device. Also built into the case itself has got a GPS tracker unit as well, which can be followed in real time on Google Earth. So wherever they take this case and wherever they plant it, you can actually track it in real time, the tracking device. So there you go, guys. It's the latest one. I'll just turn it back on, like see it all lit up again. There you go. The LEDs working here, you can see them flashing away there. Okay, these are just working with an LED, 8 LED lights in a sequence. It's got up to 14 different sequences. The LED system were quite cheap, they're about £7, but they're really effective. These wee bottles here, these are actually air fresheners, believe it or not. Just the LEDs at the back of them. So the cut wire systems in here. Behind that is just a chalk block where you can just replace these smaller wires, but you'll still have the live wires going into all the different things on the clock. Okay, you can see where this is flashing. This is letting you know that one of the wires isn't connected. So it's like a fail-safe to make sure you get the bomb properly set up. So until you replace the wire that we cut, which was the yellow one, which disarmed the wire cut, until you do something about that, the alarm's going to cut off. I bought most of the equipment here, the circuit boards inside and the timer device came from paintballprops.com, a guy called Patrick. I'll give you a wee link to it on the end of the video. He's actually doing, if you give him my name, he's actually doing a special offer on his Betty time bomb for laser tag, $150 for all the components. Then you can just fit them into your own case, excluding the LED systems, but you can buy yourself on eBay for about £7. Okay guys, hope you enjoy that. So I'm going to shut the case here and let you see it again. So this is our Nuke device for our laser tag system. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.